All right, so far, when we're comparing similar shapes, we've been focused on how the corresponding sides and angles change or stay the same when we scale something up or scale something down. Today, we're moving on to the next step because I also want you to be exploring how do area and perimeter change when we scale a shape up. Does the scale factor also tell us how much the perimeter will increase by? Does the scale factor tell us how much the area will increase by? That's your job to explore how do area and perimeter compare between similar shapes. To do that, here's what your assignment looks like. You've got 3 pairs of similar shapes, and I want you to find the scale factor between the 2 shapes, find the perimeter of both shapes, and find the area of both shapes. And as you're doing that, you're going to be looking for patterns. So as a reminder, if we're looking at this first pair of shapes right here, the 2 rectangles, first job is to figure out what's the scale factor. Well, you know how to do that. What number are the sides being multiplied by? 3 times what causes those corresponding sides to turn into 6? That means the scale factor is 2. Okay? Then if we want to find the perimeter, add 2 right there. If we want to find the perimeter, that means we're going to add up the distance around the outside of the shape. So this is 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5 plus another 3 is 8. So the perimeter of shape 1 is 8. Area, we multiply in rectangles, we multiply the width times the height. So the area of this is 1 times 3, meaning the area of rectangle 1 is 3. You'll do the same thing for shape 2, perimeter and area, and noticing any patterns of how the perimeter and area change when we scale the shape up by a scale factor of 2. Remember, triangles are a little different. To find the area of a triangle, you're going to do base times height divided by 2. So the area of this is 1 times 2 divided by 2. 1 times 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. So the area of that first triangle is 1. The area of the second triangle, 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, divided by 2 means the area is 9. Perimeter, you still add up the 3 sides of the shape going around the outside. Make sure you go on to part 2, slide 2, where you're going to be answering the question. What patterns do you notice as the shape changed? Good luck.